Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you CarMax how to pay down payment. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make a down payment at CarMax, you have several options depending on whether you are purchasing or inline, online or in store. Now, CarMax accepts the following forms of payment for down payments like debit cards, cashier cards, money orders, cashier checks, and bank transfer. Now, making a down payment in store. If you are purchasing a vehicle at CarMax location, you can make a down payment using the accepted methods like debit cards, cashier checks, so on. The payment is due at the time of purchase. Then when you are buying a car online through CarMax, you can make a low down payment via the secure online payment portal. The payment is due at the time of purchase. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.